Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your left and right earbuds are different. You have to start by check if you have the last software version, so open SOUNDCORE application and then click on your earbuds here. After that, at the bottom we have update firmware, so you need to tap on it. It checked and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, right here you will have a button to install a new one, so just I recommend it to update it. Next, if it didn't help you, the second one, we can perform a factory reset. So open settings and go to the Bluetooth. Now put your earbuds to the charging case, and then at the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold on it until this LED light flashed red 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you can release your finger. And firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget the device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see it as device list and just tap on it, and that's it. Now, the last what I recommended to make is fully charge your earbuds. And check it. If the battery levels still different, I recommend it to contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!